Hello everyone. In our class today, we'll be working on series. Okay, so what is series? Okay, series is the sum of term. Okay, sum of terms of a sequence. Okay, that is the meaning of series. Okay, so sequence, like for example, let's say we have first term. Okay, we have second term, we have third term, we have first term. So if you have to look for the series of this sequence, okay, so the sum of all these terms is referred to as series. So we have T1 plus T2, okay, plus T3 plus T4, and so on, etc. So when we add up all the terms of this sequence, we arrive to as series. So series is the sum of terms of a sequence. So the question says, find the sum of the first six terms in this sequence. Okay, so we have 4n plus 3, we have 8 minus 1, 8 minus 1 divide n squared. So we have to find the sum of the first six terms in this sequence. So let's start with this, the first sequence. So we say when n, okay, when n is 1, okay, using this, so we have 4n plus 3, so that is 4. So we replace n with 1, okay. So here we have 4 times 1 to be 4 plus 3, so we have it to be 7, okay. So when n is 2, okay, so still using the same sequence, so we have 4 times when n is 2, which is this, okay, plus 3. So for 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3, we have this to be 11, okay. So when n is 3, so we move on till we get to 6. So we have 4n plus 3 equals 4 times 3, okay, plus this 3, we have 4 times 3 is 12, 12 plus 3, we have it to be 15, when n is 3. So when n is 4, we have 4n plus 3, that is 4, okay, times 4 plus 3. So 4 times 4 is 16, for 16 plus 3, we have it to be 19, okay. And when n is 5, okay, so we have something like this, okay. We have 4 times 5 plus 3. So for 4 times 5 is 20. For 20 plus 3, we have it to be 23, okay. And when n is 6, okay, we have 4 times 6 plus 3. So 4 times 6 is 24. 24 plus 3, we have it to be 7, okay. So to obtain our series, so we have to add up all these terms of the sequence. So we have 7 plus 11 plus 15 plus 19 plus 23 plus 27. So when we add up, so 23 plus this gives 50. 50 plus 19, we have this to be 69. 69 plus 15, okay. For 69 plus 15, we have this as 84, okay, plus 18, and we add 18 to this, we have this as 12, okay, this to be 9. So that means the series is 102, okay, for the first sequence. So the second one, we have 8 minus 1 over n squared, okay. So when we work with this, okay, so we say when n is 1, okay, so we have 8 minus 1 divide 1 square, okay, so that gives us 8 minus, for 1 square is 1, so this 8 minus 1, same thing as 7. And when n is 2, okay, so still working with this, so we have 8 minus 1 divide 2 square, okay, that is 8 minus 1 divide, for 2 square to be 4, okay. So we can have this in form of this. So here we have 4, okay. We have this to be 32, okay. We have this to be 1. So this is a 31 over 4, okay. So when n is 3, okay, so we have 8 minus 1 divide 3 square. Okay, so here we have 1 divide 9. Okay, so here we have 8 minus 1 over 9. Okay, so when we look at this, we have 9. And this is 72. Okay, 9 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So here we have this as 71 over 9. Okay, so when n is 4, 8 minus 1 the value of n is 4 square. Okay, so here we have 8 minus 1 over 16. Okay, yes, the question says list the first 5 terms in the sequence and add up. Okay, so we have two sets of expression we are working with. Okay, and we have to replace the n term with 5. Okay, up to 5 terms. So we start with 1, we end at 5. So how do we go about this solution? So here we have 1 minus 1 is power n divides 2. Okay, so since we are working with 5 terms, so the first 5 terms, the first one will be when n is 1. Okay, so we replace n with 1, we substitute, so still working with this. So we have 1 minus 1 raised to power 1, okay, divides 2. So here we have 1, okay. So from 1 minus 1 raised to power 1 is minus 1, times this is plus 1, divides 2. So we have 2 divided 2, that gives us 1. So when n is 1, so we have the result to be 1. Okay, so when n is 2, okay, still using this, so we have minus 1, sorry, we have 1 minus 1 raised to power n divides 2. So here we have 1 minus, okay, so for n is 2, so this is minus 2, sorry, this is minus 1, okay, raised to power 2, okay, when n is 2, divides 2, so here we have 1 minus, so for minus 1 square, we have it to be 1.